What's up guys, welcome to the video. I am in Whitehorse Campground at Mount Cook. Check out this view. Doing the Alps to Ocean trail. Let's do it. This is the first trail marker here. That's looking back to where we were camping at Whitehorse Campground. Little kitchens there, some toilets, no showers. Grace is coming down now. We've got about a 20-minute ride to our helicopter. Pretty sure that's Mount Cook in the distance there. Pretty awesome.
So yesterday we did about a 9 or 10k ride to the Tasman Glacier. I'll put up some footage of that. If you guys are doing this tour, you've got to stay an extra day in this area and do the glacier. The ride down there, it is on road, but it's a fairly quiet drive. It's absolutely beautiful. You're just going towards the mountain. You've got the village on the right here. I mean, this part of the trail, obviously it's just following the road, but it's still nice. And it's downhill, so it's easy enough. We're about to be on a new trail that we haven't done. We did this yesterday on the way to that Tasman Glacier that I was telling you. Supposed to be at the airport half an hour early. We're probably just going to make that. K's, 3.3 Ks. So our flight's been rescheduled so we can take a scenic flight. It's a minimum of 4 people. They tried to contact me yesterday, but I don't have a SIM card, so it never came through. So we're just delayed till 11:30. We're going back to the village. Oh, I mean, you can't really complain. We get to enjoy the view of the riders that would be coming the opposite direction on trail, which means a lot more climbing and more than likely a headwind. Head back to the airport now. Hopefully they haven't rescheduled on us again. Whoa! Whoa! Right, we're now on trail. Not going to be short of places to camp, as you can see. Oop, bit loose there. It's going to be a good ride. Already got the tailwind. I feel it pushing me along. So there's this little washout here. There is this little bridge across it, but I didn't see it, so I wound up in like just about knee-deep water. Bit rough to start. Wet shoes after 1.4 kilometers. I bet that water's so cold. Oh yeah. We're doing some bird watching. I've got an app for working out what birds we see. You can actually work out what bird it is just by listening to it. Oh, there's that tailwind. Found myself on some cute little single track. It's a little bit rough there. It's always rough when you pull it out to film. The view up ahead on my left is great. Bunch of pine trees which are introduced. So we've come across our first toilet stop. We are 9.1 Ks in. There's a picnic bench. Looks accessible by road. Don't see any water here though. Oh, that's a bit tight for me. Oh, I made it. Always love a good bridge. Looks like we share this with the road. Oh yeah. Oh no. Made it to the lake. "38 k's to Hayman Road car park." Look at the view behind us here. Rama Station, 1 kilometre. Doesn't get much better than that. The view actually does get better as you go, but you just have to keep remembering to look back. So peaceful out here. So we found a spot here to stop, have a snack. Hoping to camp somewhere along the lake here. Maybe up at that island there, if you can see it in the distance. Back on trail. So lucky to have that view. We're going to ride about 8 k's to that island. 8.5 I think, 8.3. And we'll see if it looks good to camp. Well, I think we decided it doesn't get any better than this. What have we done since the helicopter? 40.7 k's. Originally we'd planned to go all the way to Twizel and camp at one of the campgrounds there, but I mean, I prefer to camp in the wilderness. And it's already after 5 o'clock. And I mean, look at this. Look at this spot. We've got it all to ourselves. It will mean we have to do a little bit more cycling tomorrow. So today, yeah, 40 or so. Tomorrow will be like 75 to where we're staying. That's all right. Worth it for this. Check this out. Pretty decent. This is the Lanshan tent. It's like a rip-off of some of those nicer tents. It's working out pretty well so far. This bike's one that we hired for the trip. I brought that giant over from Australia. It's not even mine. It's a mate's. It's done the Mundabitty. Thank you, Marty. Got dinner here. Bunch of these noodles. Cooking up in paradise. We've filtered some of this lake water, but you can still taste the glacier. The sun is starting to set. Had dinner. Smashed those noodles. Gonna crawl in the tent. Alright, that's the first day of the Alps Ocean. Hope you enjoyed it. Stay tuned for day 2.